Good morning, student. This video for class 12 students. Students, daily we used to do one of the topic and we are solving questions. Today I want to just introspect regarding this the previous topics which we have discussed, and I want to revise these topic from the board paper. So let us take the question paper of 2020, and I want to discuss two questions which I already covered. First is rate of change of quantity. It is an application of differentiation, and second topic is tangent normal. So first of all, I want to just show to you from the board paper what it was the question and where it was positioned. Now look at this question paper. The question paper is here. This is the sixth part. You know, your question number 1 comprises total 10 parts. The sixth part of your question paper, it is 2020 question paper. The edge of variable cube is increasing at the rate of 10 centimeter per second. How fast the volume of the cube is increasing when the edge is 5 centimeter long? So this question we have to simplify, and this question is related to the rate of change of quantity. Listen here, how to execute, how to solve this question. You see here, I solved this question for you. Basically the story is what? We have a cube. You know, cube is having all sides are equal. Suppose the side of a cube is x. So you know the volume of a cube is side cube. Therefore we can say volume V is equal to x cube. What is x? X is the side of the cube. We have to find that the rate of change of volume at x is equal to 5 means when the value of x will be 5, what will be the value of this dv upon dt, means that is the main question. And what is given? It is given that the rate of change of side is 10 centimeter per second. This is given to you and you have to find this. So student, how to solve this, how to find this one? By taking dx upon dt equal to 10 centimeter per second. You just see. So student, we have to find this one. I have taken v equal to x cube and differentiated this with respect to t. Why? Because it is given that we have to find dv upon dt. So if I will differentiate both sides with respect to t, here there is no t, here there is no t, so chain rule we have to apply. So if I will do so, differentiating with respect to t, so dv upon dt is equal to d upon dt of x cube, and you know by applying chain rule it will be 3x square, and we have to multiply by this d upon dt of x. As you know, x is already given to you, it is given to you 5, and the value of dx upon dt is also given 10. So these values I have substituted here. In place of x I have written 5, and in place of dx upon dt I have written 10. So I simplified and I got the answer 750 centimeter cube, because we are finding volume, so it is centimeter cube per second is the answer. So you should write the unit also. So student, this was the question which I solved. This question they have given for 2 marks, which I have already covered. Now student, second question which I want to discuss with you, it is a question from tangents and normal. It is basically related to tangent. In this question it is given the equation of tangent at 2, 3 on the curve y square is equal to px cube plus q is y is equal to 4x minus 7, and we have to find the value of p and q. Student, in this question this y is equal to 4x minus 7 is basically a equation of tangent. So we'll compare this equation with a y is equal to mx plus c. So we'll get the slope of this tangent. Okay, and so see how I have solved this question for you. In this question the equation of tangent is already given. This is 4x minus 7. Okay, so if you are going to compare this given equation, this y equal to 4x, this equation y is equal to 4x minus 7, if you are going to compare this equation with y is equal to mx plus c, so your slope is basically the coefficient of x, so therefore the slope of the tangent is 4. And the another way to for finding slope is, because curve is given y square is equal to px q plus q, so if I will differentiate it and I am finding the value of dy upon dx at the given point, that will also give the slope. So I differentiated both with respect to x. So it is 2y dy upon dx is equal to 3x square p, and differentiation of q is 0. So here the value of dy upon dx is coming 3x square p upon 2y. For finding m, what we are doing, we are differentiating, we are putting the value of x and y in this equation, means in dy upon dx. If I am going to substitute the value of x and y, so I am going to get the slope. So here the slope is coming 2p after substituting the value of x is 2 and y is 3 in this given equation. So 2p it is coming. So earlier we got the slope is coming 4. Here our slope is 2p. So definitely this 2p is equal to that 4. So here, so 2p is basically equal to 4. 2p is basically equal to 4. So p, the value of p is 2. So this is the first answer, because we have to find p and q. So what I did earlier, by comparison y equal to mx plus c, I have got this m. And the second way, by differentiating and substituting the value of x and y in dy upon dx, I got the another m. Means both the m's are same, because it is a slope of tangent and that was also slope of tangent, so both are equal to each other. So here p is equal to 2. We got it. Now since this 2 comma 3 lies on the given curve, where is the curve? This is your curve. Basically, to whom you are differentiating, this is the curve. So here I am substituting the value of x and y is 2 comma 3. So if I will substitute the value of x and y 2 and 3, means in place of x I am substituting the value of 2 and the value of y is 3, I am substituting here. So I am going to get q is equal to minus 7. So that is our answer. So we got two answers over here. This is q is equal to minus 7, and earlier we got p is equal to 2. So student, we solve these two questions. So keep these two questions for the future reference. Thank you very much.